Hello students, I am Dr. Sandeep Gaute. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel English Guru for All. In today's video lesson we are going to discuss English workshop, and this is from unit number 1 and the title is The Thief Story. And the story was written by Ruskin Bond. This is from the subject English, class 10th, medium English, and board is Maharashtra State Board. Dear students, first of all, you need to understand what is the meaning of this particular word workshop. Workshop means what? Some questions are given which are based on this particular story, and you have to write down the answers of these questions. So already I uploaded the explanation of this particular story, that is part 1, and you can see the link of that in the description box below. Now we are going to discuss different questions based on the thief story and their answers. Now what is the first question from English workshop? आपको यहाँ पे दिखाई देगा ये जो क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे मैंने दिया है from English workshop. What is the first question? Complete the web diagram. You can say what? One diagram is given there related to Anil's virtues, and second one is what? His vices. So you need to write 4 qualities over here, means 4 virtues of Anil, and here 4 vices of Hari. Now what is the answer of this one? This is the answer of the first wave diagram. What is this? Anil's virtues. What is the first one? That is understanding, then matured. What is here? Anil was helping and Anil was trustworthy. So all these are the virtues, or you can say what? The qualities of Anil. Now what is the second wave diagram? This is here, and what are the answers here? Hari's vices. First one is a deceiving nature, then selfish, then what is there? Cheating others, and what is the fourth one? Disloyal. यहाँ पे मैंने जो आंसर्स दिए हैं, these are the examples. You can find out more vices of Hari and you can mention any 4 there, because in the examination this diagram may be asked, और आपको वहाँ पे कोई भी 4 vices लिखना है. अलग अलग आंसर्स आपके यहाँ पे हो सकते हैं, but it should be, or you can say what? The vices must be related to the character of Hari. So in this way we discuss the answer of first question. अब सेकंड क्वेश्चन देखते हैं यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, आपको अच्छे तरीके से समझना है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज insert the appropriate word phrase given below in the sentences that follow. Now some words are given in the bracket. Let me highlight this. Now flattery, appealing, then by fits and starts, then dash to, then undetected, and spirits rose. Now total 6 sentences are given. I dashed the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. And second one is after the death of my pet dog, my dash when dad got me a new pup. C, do not stoop to dash just to gain something from someone. D is the artist completes his paintings dash. And what is the fifth one? That is E, the crime went dash for 11 years. And what is the last one? When the baby saw its mother, it gave an dash smile. Now what are the answers there? Now you have to see the answers and you have to read them properly. The answers are given here. I am going to read the answers and even you can see it. Now what is the first one? I dashed to the school gate when I heard the school bell rang. So here you need to understand this one. This highlighted part is the answer, color part and underline. Second sentence, after the death of my pet dog, my spirits rose when dad got me a new pup. Third one is do not stoop to flattery just to gain something from someone. Fourth one is the artist completes his paintings by fits and starts. Number 5, the crime went undetected for 11 years. And number 6 is when the baby saw its mother, it gave an appealing smile. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको अच्छे तरीके से समझना है किस प्रकार से ये जो वर्ड्स यहाँ पे फ्रेजेस दिए हमने उससे यूज़ किया है इन ऑल दीज सेंटेंसेस, and definitely this will be useful for you for the upcoming examinations. Now we are going to discuss question number 3, that is a 3A. So third question क्या है यहाँ पे देखिए, third question is third A, और what is that? Find from the text the collocation for the following. Now you need to understand the concept of collocation. क्या है collocation? And the definition of collocation is given in this box. So what is collocation? The combination of words formed when two or more words are often used together in a way that sounds correct. The phrase a hard frost is a collocation. तो कोलोकेशन का मीनिंग क्या होता है? देर आर सम वर्ड्स इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, दे अकम्पनी ईच अदर फ्रिक्वेंटली, एक दूसरे के साथ हम उन्हें यूज करते हैं, और इसी प्रकार से हमें जो टेक्स्ट है, द थीफ स्टोरी जो हमारी टेक्स्ट है, उसमें से क्या करना है? कोलोकेशंस फाइंड आउट करने हैं. नाउ द कोलोकेशंस डैश डॉग डैश मैन टिकट डैश देन डैश स्लोली डैश ड्रिजल देन डैश सेंटेंसेस एंड देन डैश स्पिरिट्स. अभी देखते हैं कौन से कोलोकेशंस आए हैं यहाँ पे. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वन? स्ट्रे डॉग. सो this is the first collocation associated with the word dog. Second, greedy man, careless man, poor man, educated man. All these are the collocations from the textbook. Then a ticket counter or ticket office, the highlighted part is from this particular text. Then walk slowly, then light drizzle, then whole sentences and adventurous spirits. Actually this word is not there in the text, adventurous. The word is there, what? My word is there, my spirits. So what is there? My spirits. So in this way you can complete this particular part related to collocation. आपको मैंने यहाँ समझा के बोला है कि समझाया कि what is the meaning of collocation. So what is the meaning of collocation? These are the words, they often go together. जो हमेशा हम एक साथ यूज करते हैं, वैसे हमने यहाँ पे कोलोकेशंस दिए हैं. आपको कोलोकेशंस कौन से ये ध्यान में रखना है, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन के ऊपर आपको एग्जाम में पूछा जा सकता है, एंड यू मस्ट नो द आंसर्स. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3B. सो व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3B? दैट इज कंप्लीट द कंपाउंड वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द स्टोरी. अभी हमने कोलोकेशन क्या है देखा है, एंड अभी यहाँ पे एक कॉन्सेप्ट आया, व्हाट इज दैट? कंपाउंड वर्ड्स. सो आपको समझने के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कंपाउंड वर्ड्स. सो कंपाउंड वर्ड्स आर फॉर्म्ड when two or more words are joined together to create a new word that has an entirely new meaning. ऐसे वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करना है जिससे क्या होता है, नया जो वर्ड तैयार होता है उसका मीनिंग कंप्लीटली अलग रहता है, उसे हम कहते हैं क्या है? कंपाउंड वर्ड्स. And some examples are given here, so you need to understand the examples. तो हम यहाँ पे examples देखते हैं क्या क्या है. Easy going is there, clock tower is there, and moonlight is there. So these are some examples given over here. यहाँ पे ये बॉक्स के नीचे जो है दो ऐसे वर्ड्स है जो यहाँ पे नहीं, लेट मी दिखाई नहीं दे रहे. ओके फाइन. नाउ दीज आर द वर्ड्स हियर. अगेन what is the first one? Oil rich, then 50 rupee, then easy going, then clock tower, and what is the fifth one? Moonlight. So all these are the compound words from this particular text. आपको यह समझना है, collocation and compound words both are the different parts. Do not mix up them. Do not get confused because of these two concepts. कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, इसलिए मैंने आपको क्या किया है, जब आंसर यहाँ पे डिस्कस किए हैं, कोलोकेशन का मीनिंग क्या है एंड देन व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कंपाउंड वर्ड्स आई डिस्कस्ड विद यू. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप, and what is the question here? The question is on the screen. C, 3C, pick out from the story 3 or 4 examples of code mixing Indian words used in English. Indian words used in English, ऐसे examples हमें देखने, and examples are मैदान, pajamas, and then what is there? Bazaar. All these words are Indian words, but they are used in this particular text, and this is called what? Code mixing. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Code mixing. This is a term from linguistics. Now the next question, question number 4 देखिए यहाँ पे क्या दिया है. रीड द स्टोरी केयरफुली एंड कंप्लीट द टेबल. यहाँ पे एक टेबल दिया है. टोटल नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स हमें लिखना है कितने, 2 ही कैरेक्टर है, नेम्स अनिल एंड हरी, एज लिखने हैं उनके, फिजिकल अपीयरेंस कैसा है, अर्न मनी बाय और उनके क्वालिटीज यहाँ पे लिखना है। तो ये टेबल किस तरह से आपको फिलअप करना है हम देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर। तो टेबल आपके सामने है, देखिए टेबल क्या है। सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स कितने हैं वहां पे, टोटल कैरेक्टर्स 2 characters are given over there. I am highlighting the part. Let me change the color here so it can be highlighted properly now. So what is there, 2 names, Anil and second name is Hari Singh. This is not the real name, and basically he was a thief. Then age of Anil 25 years, then age of Hari Singh 15 years. Physical appearance, Anil is tall and lean. What about Hari Singh? Thin, weak. And earn money by Anil, writing for magazines and writing books. What about Hari Singh? Stealing and cheating others or cheating people. Then qualities of Anil, kind, helping, then trustworthy. What about Hari Singh? Deceiving, disloyal and cunning. So in this way you can complete this particular table. Some 1 or 2 you can say what, you can make some changes there, it is possible as per your understanding of this story. You can write the answers जैसे आपको समझा है इस प्रकार से आप के आंसर्स थोड़े बहुत अलग हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि रिलेटेड टू दिस वन क्वालिटीज, अदरवाइज अर्न मनी बाय सेम ही रहने वाला है, फिजिकल अपीयरेंस, एज एंड नेम्स एंड इवन टोटल नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स देयर विल बी नो चेंज। सो आपको यह समझना है किस प्रकार से हमें आंसर लिखना है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। नाउ व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5? Question number 5 is complete the given sentences. Complete the given sentences. Anil kept Hari as a cook. Reason because Hari was grateful. और हमें fill up करना है. Hari continued making money. Anil didn't had, not that is hand. Anil didn't hand Hari over to the police. And then what is the 5th one? The moral of the story is. So you have to complete these sentences with the help of this text. अब देखते हैं क्या है answers. Correct answers are given here. What is the first one? What is the answer of the first one? Anil kept Hari as a cook. यहाँ पे जो blue इसमें दिया है, highlight किया है, that is the answer. Anil kept Hari as a cook because he wanted to help Hari and he could help him in this way. He also needed a cook. So this is the answer, and in this way you can complete. So answer can be even. What I mean to say, you can write this one in your own words. So style of writing is different of every student. That is why some minor changes can be there in the sentence structure also. So the keywords are given and the main thing you have to write here. Second sentence, Hari was grateful as Anil gave him work, shelter, as well as Anil taught him how to read and write. That is why. What is the meaning of grateful? Grateful means thankful. What is number 3? That is C. Hari continued making money by cheating Anil. He used to do this when Hari was sent to purchase goods. So whenever Hari was sent to purchase goods, at that time Hari was cheating Anil, and he used to do this whenever he was sent to purchase goods in the market. Now D is there. Anil didn't hand Hari over to the police because he wanted to change Hari as a good and honest person. And what is the 5th one? E. The moral of the story is helping others change the mindset of any person. If you do well to others, others will be good to you. Goodness always changes evil. So in this way, whatever is your understanding, according to your understanding, you have to write the answer. Whatever is your understanding, what I mean to say, मुझे ये कहना है कि आप जिस प्रकार से आपको अगर अच्छे तरीके से ये स्टोरी समझी है, definitely you are able to write the answers of these questions. Now we are moving to the next question, question number 6. What is question number 6? Think and write in your own words. Think and write in your own words. So this is, you need to understand, this part is very important in your notebook. Now how many questions are given there? Total 6 questions. What is the first question? Why did Anil employ Hari as a cook, although he could not afford to pay him? Second, what did Hari learn from Anil in the beginning? C. Why didn't Anil hand over Hari to the police? What effect would it have on Hari? D. Do you feel Anil's way of handling a thief like Hari was effective? Justify your answer. And number 5, that is E. What tact had Anil used to change Hari's dishonest ways? And number 5, that is number 6, F. And the smile came by itself without any effort. Say why. And when do people give fake smiles? So here you need to understand first of all the meaning of the question. आपको क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग समझना है और किस प्रकार से यहाँ पे टेंस भी समझना है. व्हाई डिड अनिल एम्प्लॉय, यहाँ पे सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है तो आपको आंसर में ऐसा लिखना पड़ेगा. ये देखिए, अनिल एम्प्लॉयड हरी. ये जो एम्प्लॉय इसको ईडी लगने वाला है, इसका वीटो आने वाला है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डी. डेलिबरेटली आई एम टेलिंग दिस वन टू यू. आपको ध्यान में रखना है. यहाँ पे भी सेम है, यहाँ पे भी दिया है, यहाँ पे खुद. दिस इज व्हाट पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्स टाइप क्वेश्चन है. आपको क्या लगता है? सो यू कैन राइट योर ओन आंसर एंड यू हैव टू जस्टिफाई दैट आंसर. And even in this way, even the same one, say why, and the smile came by itself without any effort. You have to give the reason of this one. So देखते हैं अभी इसके ये जो क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे दिए हैं उनके आंसर्स. Now, answer of A. What is the answer of the first question? Anil employed Hari as a cook because he wanted to help Hari. Besides, means in addition to, he also needed someone who can cook for him. In return, Anil could feed him as he could not afford him salary. So these two must not be there. So here you need to understand. Simply ध्यान में क्या रखना है यहाँ पे आपको कि उससे अनिल एम्प्लॉयड हरी, कि उसने काम क्यों दिया है. राइट, एंड यू हैव टू राइट दैट वन हियर. यहाँ पे मैंने आंसर दिया है. आपका आंसर थोड़ा बहुत सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन अलग हो सकता है, बट हियर यू मस्ट मेंशन व्हाट ही वांटेड टू हेल्प हरी as well as he also needed someone who can cook for him. In this way we can write the answer of A. Answer of B, what is given? Hari learned cooking and reading from Anil in the beginning. शुरुआत में क्या सीखा था हरी ने अनिल से? हरी लर्न कुकिंग एंड रीडिंग फ्रॉम अनिल इन द बिगिनिंग. आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन सी, थर्ड क्वेश्चन. अनिल डिड नॉट हैंड ओवर हरी टू पुलिस because or as he was a thoughtful person, very good person, kind hearted. He did it as he thought he could change the attitude, mindset and approach of Hari. This act of Anil could really change the entire life of Hari. So that is why Anil did not hand over Hari to police. So you can understand, actually Anil wanted to change the ways of Hari, but Anil never said anything to Hari regarding this one, but through his behavior Anil was trying to change Hari's mindset. Now the next question, question number 4, that is D. What is the answer? What answer is given there? This is the a little bit big answer. यहाँ पे आंसर थोड़ा बड़ा दिया है, टेंशन लेने का काम नहीं है. इतना बड़ा आंसर आपको लिखना नहीं है, लेकिन इसमें जो इम्पॉर्टेंट है सब यहाँ पे मैंने दिया है. At least you can write important or essential part from this one, क्योंकि आपका एक पर्सनल टाइप क्वेश्चन है, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. राइट, देखते फिर से डी नंबर का जो क्वेश्चन है क्या है. डी इज व्हाट, डू यू फील अनिल्स वे ऑफ हैंडलिंग अ थीफ लाइक हरी वाज इफेक्टिव? जस्टिफाई योर आंसर. यहाँ पे दो क्वेश्चन है, एक ही क्वेश्चन में दो क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं. अभी देखते हैं क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे. डी, आई फील अनिल्स way of handling Hari was appropriate. Anil knew that Hari is just of 15 and he could change him through his way of handling him. Anil was firm that he would change him and it is seen through Anil's modest behavior. Anil showed trust in him. In the end of the story, It also proved that Hari came back and started living with Anil. Thus, it was the impact of Anil's goodness. So, here you have to write and you have to justify your answer. So, I gave the answer of the first question as well as the second question. Justify किया है यहाँ पे और इसे conclude भी किया है with the help of this one. Thus, now next question, answer E. Anil taught him reading and writing as well as cooking. Anil taught him means him here stands for Hari Singh. Hari stole money and ran away, but Anil's behavior forced him to come back. So, actually, just because of Anil's virtues, Hari Singh came back. Hari's cheating was understood by Anil, but he did not say anything to Hari. Anil gave a note of 50 rupees to him and said Hari that he will get a regular salary onwards. In this way, Anil's handling Hari changed. Him means Hari. So in this way, you can write the answer of question number 5. Then the last question is there. What is the question? Number 6, that is F. Hari always used false ways to deceive or cheat people. Hari used to give fake smiles to gain the trust of others, but at last he gave a true smile without effort as Hari understood that this is the correct way to behave with Anil. People give fake smile when they want to show they are happy, but they are not. So that is why fake smiles are given. Fake smiles can be given when people want to cheat others also. So there are different ways to interpret fake smiles also. So this is the answer of F. So in this way we discussed question number 6. Now we are going to discuss question number 7. So what is question number 7? Question number 7 is write a character sketch of Hari Singh with the help of the following points using the paragraph format. यहाँ पे क्या करना है, कैरेक्टर स्केच हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है कि इसका हरी सिंह का, और with the help of what some points are given here. Hari Singh's background, then his dishonesty, his aspirations and his courage to change himself. Now some points are given and we have to write this one in paragraph format. तो एक पैराग्राफ हमें लिखना है and the answer is here. पैराग्राफ का मीनिंग आपको समझना है पहले. What is the meaning of a paragraph? So paragraph is what? One idea is mentioned or discussed in this particular paragraph. पैराग्राफ में एक ही आइडिया आपको डिस्कस करना है एंड सेंटेंसेस मस्ट बी इंटरकनेक्टेड. देखते हैं अभी क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे. हरी सिंह वॉज अ थीफ एंड हिज एज वॉज 15. He had no family as he was alone. He used to cheat people for his bread and butter. He was not trustworthy at all because he all the time only thinks of making money through wrong ways. His goal was cheating people initially, but later he altered his goal due to Anil's behavior. He wanted to become a good person. He robbed Anil, but he came back. The only reason is he wanted to change himself and he understood very well that Anil is only the ray of hope for him. So in this way हमें जो पॉइंट्स दिए थे उसमें से बहुत ही सिंपल वर्ड्स में मैंने यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, पैराग्राफ दिया है एंड यू कैन राइट दिस वन इन योर ओन सेंटेंसेस आल्सो. और आपको समझना है और किस प्रकार से उसके आंसर लिख सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया है. दिस इज द सैम्पल आंसर एंड यू कैन राइट द आंसर इन दिस वे. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8? क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 क्या है देखिए. फ्रेम WH टाइप क्वेश्चंस टू गेट द आंसर्स अंडरलाइन बिलो. यहाँ पे WH टाइप क्वेश्चंस हमें फ्रेम करने हैं, तैयार करने हैं. एंड चेंज द फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउंस टू द सेकंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन, सेकंड पर्सन वेयर नेसेसरी. जहाँ पे सेकंड पर्सन करना है हम कर सकते हैं चेंज, लेकिन हमें WH टाइप पहले समझना है क्या है. WH टाइप वर्ड्स आर देयर जैसे कि वेयर है, व्हाट है, देन व्हेन है, विच है, हु है, हाउ है, हुम है. ये जो वर्ड्स है हम उसे क्या कहें, वी कॉल दीज वर्ड्स WH टाइप वर्ड्स. तो यहाँ पे देखते 5 sentences are given and some part is underlined. ये जो है ये आंसर आने को ना यहाँ पे दिया है, देखिए आंसर अंडरलाइन जो है वो आंसर है और उसे हमें क्या करना है, कन्वर्ट करना है इंट्रोगेटिव में. तो देखते हैं, आई हरीड बैक टू द रूम. अब आंसर क्या आने को ना, टू द रूम, इसलिए क्वेश्चन कैसा होता है देखिए, वेयर डिड यू हरी बैक, वेयर डिड यू हरी बैक. यहाँ पे डिड लिया है, दैट इज वाई हरीड का यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, हरी. इसके लिए आपको क्या पता होना जरूरी है, tenses. You must know tenses and tenses are very useful while framing questions. So you need to understand tenses first. So यहाँ पे आपको tenses आने जरूरी है. यहाँ पे देखते first one already we discussed. Second one, I had made a study of men's faces. Underline किया है, study of men's faces. What had you made? So I have made a study of men's faces. यहाँ पे क्या है, what had you made. Next question is what, sentence क्या है, I drew them out without a sound. So how did you draw them out? Then next one is, the poor man showed acceptance. Who showed acceptance? And number 5, that is the last one, I made tea in the morning. When did you make tea? So यहाँ पे जो मैंने यहाँ पे वर्ड्स है देखिए, जैसे कि WH टाइप वर्ड्स कौन से, ये है where, what, how, who and when. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करते समय आपको ये जो टेंशन है सेंटेंसेस का, ये भी ध्यान में रखना है. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेम यू आर टू यूज द टेंस, टेंस चेंज करना नहीं है. सो इस प्रकार से हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 के सब आंसर्स यहाँ पे डिस्कस किए हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन एंड व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन. इमेजिन दैट अनिल कैचेस हरी रेड हैंडेड. Okay, Hari is stealing the money from under the mattress. Compose a short dialogue between the two which reflects Anil's shock and Hari's repeated apologies. यहाँ पे अनिल को शॉक लगा, सरप्राइजिंग, इट वॉज रियली सरप्राइजिंग फॉर अनिल एंड हरी इज रिपीटिंग व्हाट, हिज apologies. सो देखते क्या है, अनिल. So dialogue writing related question है, so easily you can understand this one. Anil, Hari, what are you doing? Hari said, nothing, I am sorry. So apologize. So here apologizing, look, so you can see that one. Anil, you are stealing money. Oh my God, please forgive me. Anil, I trusted you and you are cheating me. Hari, no, please forgive me. I won't do it again. Anil, I can't imagine that you are doing this. I am helping you and you are such a cheater. Hari, please listen to me. I really apologize for my behavior. Anil, you have really made me unhappy. I am ashamed. I can't forgive you. And Hari's answer again, apology is there. Please don't do this. I have really committed a blunder. आई एम रियली सॉरी. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपके भी डायलॉग्स अलग हो सकते हैं, बट इस प्रकार से आप डायलॉग्स लिख सकते हो. यहाँ पे एक्चुअली क्या होगा ये इमेजिन करके आपको डायलॉग्स लिखने हैं. So my way of writing dialogues is a little bit different here and your way can be different also, but this is the sample answer. इस प्रकार से हमने टोटल 9 क्वेश्चन जो है यहाँ पे हमने डिस्कस किए, विच आर बेस्ड ऑन द थीफ स्टोरी रिटन बाय रस्किन बॉन्ड. अभी देखते हैं किस प्रकार से हमने एक रिवाइज करते शॉर्ट में. नाउ व्हाट इज गिवन देयर, लेट मी गो ऑन द फर्स्ट page. So what is that? What we discussed, English workshop, which is based on 1.2, that is the thief story and written by Ruskin Bond. So आपको रिवाइज करना है, इस प्रकार से देखना है क्या दिया है, and you have to even keep in mind, you have to memorize all the answers I discussed in details. So I hope you understood this English workshop. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video, and please press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you so much.